update regarding the outbreak management team. It was decided that we will also increase the United States to very high risk, although the other islands have not done that as yet. So the United States will also be very high risk, which will be communicated. It will be start as of Wednesday, and this will be prior to the return of the medical students. As you all know, the major numbers come from the medical school. Very high risk also entails that they will require a PCR test before coming. And then they will also be tested on the island on day 2 and 5, which is standard for very high-risk countries. The Omicron, you may have heard, is one case on the French side. There's also on Aruba. So the Omicron is also becoming prevalent in the region, but we will continue our measures from very high-risk countries and also high-risk countries. And we will, as we had discussed in a meeting, we'll continue with the measures. We won't deviate from them, whereby we continue to test, and should something happen, then we scale up, but it will remain the testing and the entry requirements on island. So that is a major thing. The Netherlands, as you all heard, went into a hard lockdown, but the Netherlands did not have any travel ban for persons coming to the Dutch islands. As you all are aware, the second chamber intends to come to the island, but we are in discussion with them regarding that because we don't really feel safe for that. So from the outbreak management team, our suggestion to them is skip Saba for now. If they do intend to come to St. Martin, we appreciate that we would like to come. We can organize a video session, but coming from a very high risk for just a day and then to meet with us, although we will be masked and such, we don't find that's prudent at this time. So that is advice from the outbreak management team to the representatives of the second chamber.